Hi, my name is Hide, and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. When you go to the gym to work out, you will see well-built bodies and individuals with great physics. And when you exercise, you get tired, all sweaty, and feel thirsty. In this video, I will introduce some onomatopoeic words that describe such body and physical conditions. Muki Muki. Muki Muki. Muki Muki refers to the body, which is very muscular with large and ripped muscles. This word can be used as a compliment. For example, when complimenting someone who is showing off his or her muscles, you can say, めっちゃムキムキですね。めっちゃムキムキですね。Which means your body is so ripped. Baki Baki. Baki Baki. Baki Baki refers to the body, which is very muscular with large lumps and muscles. But the difference between Baki Baki and Muki Muki is that Baki Baki refers to the body which has a low body fat and is visually able to see muscles. As an example, when you have six-pack abs, you can describe it like 私の腹筋はバキバキに割れている。私の腹筋はバキバキに割れている。Which means my abs are really defined. Potchari. Potchari. This word refers to a certain body type with a big belly and relatively heavier than others. But their appearance doesn't suggest a terribly unhealthy body type. People with this body type are referred to as ぽっちゃりした人。ぽっちゃりした人。For example, you are in a gym working really hard to lose some weight, and your friend noticed it and asked you why. You may say, ぽっちゃりした体になってしまったので、痩せるために運動をしています。ぽっちゃりした体になってしまったので、痩せるために運動をしています。Which means I've gained some weight, so I'm working out to burn them. When you use this word, ぽっちゃり, you should add した or な at the end, then person's name or body, such as 人 or 体 is added. ぽっちゃりした人、ぽっちゃりな人、ぽっちゃりした体、ぽっちゃりな体。Bisshori. Bisshori. Bisshori refers to a state where your body is covered with water or sweat. When engaging in intense physical activities, you sweat a lot and your clothes become wet. You may say something like this to a person in such Bisshori condition. 汗でびっしょりだから早く着替えて。汗でびっしょりだから早く着替えて。You're soaked in sweat, so change your clothes quickly. カラカラ。カラカラ。Exercising makes you thirsty, right? You're so thirsty that you can't even move. You're desperate for water. When you have that situation, use this onomatopoeia, カラカラ. If you use this word, カラカラ, it generally comes before 喉, which means throat, and it goes like 喉がカラカラ. 喉がカラカラ, which means I'm so thirsty. クタクタ。クタクタ。After engaging in intense sports and spending a long time working out at the gym, you might feel fatigue and your body doesn't respond as you want it to. This word, クタクタ, expresses a state of being unable to move effectively after an intense physical activity. When you're tired from exercise, you will say, もう体がクタクタだよ。もう体がクタクタだよ。Which means my body is completely exhausted. ガクガク。ガクガク。 After an intense exercise, your legs start shaking and you struggle to stand. The condition is called Gaku Gaku. 足の筋トレをした後、足がガクガクしてきた。足の筋トレをした後、足がガクガクしてきた。After doing leg exercise, my legs started shaking. That's all for today's video. How did you find onomatopoeias related to body shape and physical conditions? Feel free to leave any comments or what caught your attention or what found you interesting in today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Also, please make sure to turn on the notification bell if you wish to be notified for more brand new lesson videos. If you do that, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね!